Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to a new vlog. Today's vlog is a travel vlog, but this time around I'm not traveling from Belgium. Instead, I'm flying from Douala International Airport in Cameroon to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm especially excited because I'm traveling with my colleague from Girls Excel. We are heading to Nairobi to attend an international summit organized by NALA Femme, and I can't wait to share this experience with you. Our journey actually started the day before, so yesterday. Since Mondays are usually ghost towns in the southwest region of Cameroon, we decided to leave Limbe on Sunday evening and spend the night in Douala. We stayed at Falaise Hotel in Bonanjo, which made things much easier for our early flight the next morning. The hotel provided a shuttle service to the airport, so we left bright and early and arrived with plenty of time to check in and avoid any last minute stress. After checking in, we headed to the boarding gate, but first let's do a quick outfit check. I wore a pair of white leg pants, which I'm absolutely obsessed with these days, a pink shirt, matching pink ballerina flats, and a black handbag. Simple, comfortable, and perfect for travel. My colleague and I spent some time waiting at the gate before finally boarding our flight. Our first stop was Kigali, Rwanda. The flight was smooth and enjoyable. We spent time chatting and catching up, and the airline service was great. We were first served snacks, and along the route we made a brief stop in the Central African Republic for passengers who were disembarking there. Afterward, we continued the remainder of our journey. Later, lunch was served and I enjoyed rice and chicken accompanied by some fresh fruits. When we finally arrived at Kigali International Airport, the weather was a bit chilly. We are in Kigali, Rwanda. Are you people seeing the airports? I was excited to be back. This was my second time passing through the airport and it was just as impressive as I remembered. We had a long layover of about 9 hours, which gave us plenty of time to relax, catch up on project reports, and explore the airport a little more. We have spent how many hours at this airport? We have spent we actually got here at 11 o'clock, right? Past 11, 23 something. And this is 8 a.m. It's been forever since I spent this long at any airport. I cannot wait to get to the final destination and just sleep. After our layover, we boarded our next flight to Nairobi. The journey was short, about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and before we knew it, we had arrived in Kenya. Once we landed at the Jomo International Airport, we ordered an Uber and headed to our hotel, the Ole-Sereni Hotel in Nairobi. The hotel was beautiful, and my colleague and I shared a room so we could stay together throughout the trip. One of the most amazing things about our stay was the view from our window. The hotel overlooks a wildlife area, and from there we could spot animals such as giraffes and zebras. It was such a unique and memorable experience. Overall, it was a long but exciting journey and we were grateful to have arrived safely and ready for the summit ahead. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Stay tuned as I share more updates from our activities and experiences in Nairobi, Kenya. See you in the next video.